Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, in this video I'm going to share you how I achieve this look. I'm someone who's like in the middle, not a person who does makeup every day and then not a person who doesn't do makeup at all. I'm someone who doesn't do it on a daily basis but then does it when I have to go out to a party or some event, but then I keep it simple. And like usually when I go on YouTube and search for makeup videos, like even the daily routines ones are more than what I do for like an event look. So that's why I was like, oh, are there any other people who are like me and then who sort of do it but then not like every day? So that's for you guys, it's here. Okay, so let's start. I'm just gonna tie my hair. Okay, so I'm ready. So before doing anything, I always put this cream. It's from Body Shop. It's called Youth Cream. It's a drop of youth. Last month I got this foundation from NARS and they gave me this complimentary primer with it. So I'm just using this. Otherwise I never used to use one. I'm just using it because I have one. So this is the foundation I use right now. It's from NARS. It's amazing, guys. It's so thin. It's so thin. Like you don't even feel like you're wearing something on your face. It's very thin and it's amazing. It blends perfectly. Doesn't feel like foundation. I've tried like few, not many, but this is like the best of them all, like trust me. So I'm using medium 2 Santa Fe 6045. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. And this is from the Sheer Glow category. So this is how it looks. Let me take it. Then gonna use this brush. Okay, so after the foundation I'm gonna use some concealer. I tend to use it sometimes and sometimes not, but I'm just gonna use it today because I'm making like the video. So it's from L'Oreal Paris. It's True Match Super Blendable Concealer and the shade is Fair/Light 91-2-3, if that's how you say it. So I'm gonna start with my eyes and I'm gonna use these. It's the Nudes from Maybelline and I'm gonna keep it like pretty light. So just for like a base, since I have like dark eyes, I'm gonna use this one. After this I'm gonna use this. It's from NYX. It's the Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palette. The shade is Warm Rust USP08. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, after that I'm gonna use this. Okay, and to finish I'm going to use this from the Maybelline again, just to give it like a bit of light pink shade. From the same palette, this one I'm going to use to just dip on my eyes inside. So after that I'm going to use an eyeliner. It's from Stila. And trust me, it's again amazing. You can sleep with it, you can take shower with it, do whatever you want to do and it won't go off. It's amazing. Okay, so the eyeliner is done and now it's time for mascara. It's from Oriflame. Okay, so after that I'm going to use this blush from NYX again. It's in the shade HDB21 Intuition. It's like a coral color. At the end, I'm going to use this highlighter from H&M. I have one from Innisfree, but that's like a stick, and I feel this is easier to apply and it's good. At the end, I'm gonna apply lipsticks. I'm gonna use these two from MAC. One is called Mocha and the other one's Honeylove. This is how the Mocha one looks. And now I'm gonna apply the Honeylove over the Mocha one, and this is how it looks. It's a nude shade. So yeah, I'm done. Okay, so that was my video and I hope you liked it. Give me your comments, a thumbs up, and subscribe if you would like me to post more. Bye bye.